Hi there! Before we start this video, please subscribe at ABC Learning Academy. Don't forget to click that notification bell below, like and share this video. Our story today is Along the Bay. Faye and Ray like to play in the bay. Along the way, they saw an old tray that was gray. Faye put some clay on the tray. Faye says, "Ray, come here and stay." On that same day, a blue jay flew away. They will come again on Monday. The end. In this story, there are some words with long A sound. AY sounds A, such as Faye, say Faye. Ray, say Ray. Play, say play. Bay, say bay. Tray, say tray. Gray, say gray. Clay, say clay. Say say. Day, say day. Blue jay, say blue jay. Monday, say Monday. Away, say away. Way, say way. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe at ABC Learning Academy. Thank you!